Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing that I am so excited about today. I have been waiting for this Chanel all week and I cannot tell you, it literally just arrived and I had to sit down and just freaking film a video because I did not want to wait, because normally like I will wait until I accumulate like 2-3 things to make a haul, but I'm like, oh, whatever. If my subscribers want to buy this earring, they have to do it right now. So I couldn't wait because I feel like if you guys want to get it for yourselves, time is of the essence right now. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, I am Erica. Thank you so much for being here. If you love bougie things, shopping, travel, please stay, subscribe, and let's hang out together. Now for my returning subs, I love you guys. You know that, right? I don't need to say it, but I gotta say it. Okay, so today we're gonna talk Chanel, and as the title said, it is true, I have been on a Chanel fashion jewelry ban. I have been on a fashion jewelry ban in general. My subscribers that have been around for a while, you know that I made a promise, I think it was like last year or the year before, that I would stop buying fashion jewelry and I would focus on real jewelry, which I have done. I am so proud of myself. I have started building my Van Cleef collection. I have acquired I think like 4 pieces so far, and they're expensive, so I'm really proud. It took a lot of discipline for me to get to where I am today with my 4 Van Cleef pieces and not buy fashion jewelry. Fashion jewelry is not a great investment, okay? It is going to tarnish. Sometimes, you know, it's going to get damaged. It's not a forever piece. It's not something you're going to pass to your children. So I think you have to be very careful about buying fashion jewelry. They have to be only specific pieces. I have bought like 1 piece of fashion jewelry in the past year, which was a pair of Versace earrings that I was absolutely obsessed with. So I think it's okay to have a little bit of fun and buy a few pieces here and there. But if you are spending thousands of dollars in fashion jewelry, you need to stop, okay? You need to stop, and instead of buying 2-3 pieces for like $500, $600, $700, $800 each, you can buy a real piece of gold that's gonna last forever. But with that being said, there is something from Chanel that made me break my Chanel fashion jewelry ban, which are these earrings that you have already seen in the thumbnail, right? So I had to put them in the thumbnail because I knew you guys were gonna think they were so beautiful that you would click to watch and see what they look like in real life, all right? So let's do the unboxing together. This was a flipping nightmare to acquire, and we're gonna talk more about that, but ta-da! Little Chanel. You know, Chanel unboxings never get old. You always have a feeling when you open a Chanel box, but oh my God, is this flipping gorgeous, or is this flipping gorgeous? How stunning are they, guys? Oh my goodness gracious. All crystals right here on the C's, and then this beautiful pink stone, and then the big dangly pearls at the bottom. So major dangly look, very summer fun kind of a look, super feminine, super Chanel. They are actually quite big. I don't think you cannot tell on video because I had seen video of them and I had seen photos of them. A couple of influencers, I think really big influencers, managed to get these early, and you know, on photo and on video, you do not have an idea of the magnitude of the earrings, so they are quite big. Let's put these babies on. Now, I actually put them on my second piercing up. Guys, I have very droopy earlobes. I always had. I don't know, it's like a genetic thing, and I think it comes from my dad. And I feel like if I put them in my regular bottom piercing, they would look a little bit droopy. If you have like nice firm earlobes, that's not a problem, but for me, I just feel better putting them at the top. Oh my gosh, what a flipping touch, okay? I am in love with them. Look at this. Oh my gosh, ooh la la, I am so happy. And this touch of color, I feel I have very long hair, so I have to buy things that really kind of like stand out, and I feel like this touch of color totally stands out, right? What do you guys think? and they're big, and they're dangly, and they're fun, and they're extra, okay? And I love that about them. So, you know, I will tell you why I broke my band because of these earrings. So here's the thing. Obviously, there are certain things that we cannot afford if they were real jewelry, right? So for example, super thick chain, you know, the chains are super in right now in terms of jewelry, like the super thick bulky ones, which I think looks so awesome, you know, so cool. But if you go and you check out the prices, like a silver one from Bottega is $5,000, okay, a real silver one. There is one at Tiffany's that is flipping incredible. It's from a collection called Hardware. If you guys haven't seen the Hardware collection at Tiffany's, you have to go check it out. It is absolutely insane. I am in love with the Hardware bracelet. It's thick, chunky chains, but made of real gold. The prices are like $8,000, $16,000. So there are certain pieces that, you know, not everybody might be able to afford the real thing. I might not be able to afford the real thing. You know what I mean? So if I have to buy a necklace that is $20,000 right now, it wouldn't happen because I can't, you know, it's just as simple as that. So sometimes you have to go to fashion jewelry to get the look. And I think this was the case for me here with this beautiful colored pink stone. I mean, how are you going to find this in real jewelry? First of all, this color pink, and then second of all, if I was to find this in this color pink in this size, it would be $3 million, okay? So this is a situation where I think it's worthwhile you buying, you know, fashion jewelry. So I think this is how you make the decision. That's my tip for you. If you are going to buy a plain, you know, like little chain bracelet or like a cute little Chanel ring, you know, something along those lines, I think you should save a little longer and make the substitution to buy real jewelry. Now, if you want a piece that is real fantasy piece, like these earrings with the pink stone, not gonna happen in real jewelry. So I think those are the times, the statement fantasy pieces are the times that you pull the trigger for fashion jewelry, right? If you want an insane Chanel necklace, super thick, full of stuff, if you were to buy that from the high jewelry collection from Chanel, it would be $100,000. Obviously not gonna happen. Then I think it's okay for you to pay $2,000, you know, for a crazy Chanel necklace that will give you the look that you are craving. This is kind of how I make my decision. So I'll give you an example. This Dior ring right here is fashion jewelry, and this is something I would no longer buy today. I feel like, okay, this is kind of like a normal, it's beautiful, I love it, I will wear it to death, but I would rather not spend $1,000 on this ring and then save another couple thou and then get myself a Van Cleef mother of pearl ring. So this is not really like a true fantasy piece. This is a, you know, fake pearl ring. So I think in this situation, you should wait and save. Same thing with like Hermes bracelets. I mean, I have this, I love this, you know, that's how I started my collection. But right now, would I buy Hermes bracelets again? No. I would actually save that money and build up to buy, you know, real jewelry, which is my Van Cleef bracelet now. That's how I'm making my decision, guys. And then with these earrings in particular, I wanted the pink because I have my mini Kelly in pink. I have my special order in pink from Hermes. I mean, look at this, how cute it matches. Ah, my bag. How summery. Look at this, like a cute plain white top. You guys have been asking me a lot about the outfits that I'm wearing on my videos, so I need to do a better job at letting you know what's going on. This top is from Alice and Olivia, and I'll put the link in the description box below. So, but think about this. Look at this. How cute of a top. My cute pink Birkin, and then look at this, my pink Chanel earrings. Ugh, okay, I'm gonna throw up. I look so cute. Am I humble or am I humble? You gotta love yourself, boo-boo. If you don't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love anybody else, right? So that's how I roll. But when I saw the pink, I thought it would be the perfect touch for this. And then I have a mini Kelly as well in pink, which perfect pairing, right? So that's why when I saw this, I went absolutely bananas. They have a smaller version of this as well without this bottom drop of the pearl. So if you are looking for something a little bit more dainty you would kind of look just like this with the top CCs and then the pink stone. And this one cost $800 was the price of this one. If you go for the smaller one, it is $525. For those of you who want something a little bit more muted or a little bit more dainty, I think the smaller one is a better option. Hard as hell to find. If you are looking for it, I can DM me on Instagram. I can give you the number of the person that got this one for me. This was a tip from a loving follower on Instagram. I had posted about it a couple weeks back that I was in the lookout for this when it came out. And this beautiful loving follower sent me a message, said, Erica, my SA just posted these, you want her number? And then I texted her and got them right away. So I can give you her number. I actually went to my local Chanel boutique to look for these, and they also have, as part of the new collection, one that looks like a little classic Chanel bag. I don't know if you guys have seen that one that has like the little pearl handle. I wanted that one as well. So I went to my boutique. My SA said, look, we are not getting them here in our store. There are a few stores that receive them, but there is no guarantees. You're gonna have to pay now. We're gonna do the order. But if they decide they want to give that to a customer, they're gonna cancel your order. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna tie up my money here, wait God knows how long for somebody to cancel my order, right? So it was funny because that day I got home and there was a DM from my follower saying, Erica, my SA has these earrings. If you want them, you need to like pull the trigger right now, call people, text people right now, because I don't think they're going to be around. If you guys have seen the little purse one, please let me know in the comment section below as well. I would like to know because I want to get the little purse ones. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I have more hauls coming for you, so hang in tight because there's more eye candy coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.